Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I really wanted to share with you all my finished website that I was working on my previous study code with me video, and the code is actually up on my GitHub, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the bio. So this is the website. It's a website for a cafe. The reason I worked on this website was because I wanted to practice responsive web design. I also practiced actually making the design with Figma, as you saw in my previous video, and I also wanted to practice how to dynamically add content with JavaScript. The reason why I wanted to practice this is because I want to start working more with APIs. So this is something that you would have to do if you work with APIs. So this is the home page, and you can go to the menu by clicking on this button, or you can click here. So then this will take you to the menu, and then you can click on drinks, and then it will only show you the drinks, and it changes how it looks here. And then if you click on snacks, it only shows you the snacks, and then if you click on meals, it only shows you the meals. So all of this is added dynamically with JavaScript, so none of this is actually HTML. And then if you go to the actual logo, it will take you again to the home page. Then this is the reserve page, and then you can try it out. I still need to add the form, what are they called? Form validation, I think, with JavaScript, but I'm not going to be doing that now. And then you can only choose one time, so that was done with JavaScript. Then you can choose also what day do you want to visit, or you want to reserve. Again, you can choose how many people. You can only choose, of course, one number. Then this is the contact page, name, email, message, so on. And then of course it is responsive, so this is how it looks on the mobile version. So this would be like the first home page, and then you can go to the menu, and then again you can click on drinks, and it only shows you the drinks. Snacks only shows you the snacks. Meals only shows you the meals. And then once you click and it's displaying a certain one, it will do like this underline under the title. And then you have the reserve page. This is how that looks. It's, again, you can choose this, choose the date that you want, and then this is the contact page, and that's how that looks. So this is the website I was working on. So this is finished for now. I'm going to be working on my submission for the DigitalOcean hackathon, so that's why I'm not working on the form validations for this, but I will do that after I'm finished with my submission for the hackathon. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions about the code or about this project, let me know in the comments, or feel free to reach out in any of my social media accounts. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video and share it if you find it useful. Thank you. Bye.